In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to a Facebook post. By the end, you'll know the simple, reliable way to grab a direct link to any post so you can paste it into an email, a message, or anywhere else you need. First, go to the post you want to share. Open Facebook in a web browser and navigate to the exact post on your newsfeed, a friend's profile, a page, or a group. Make sure you're looking at the specific post you want people to see, including any photos, videos, or text that matter. If it's in a feed with lots of other content, don't worry, we're about to isolate it. Next, click the time or date stamp on that post. You'll find a small, gray bit of text right under the name of the profile, page, or group near the privacy icon. It might say something like 2 yesterday, or show a full date and time. That little timestamp is actually a shortcut to the post's permanent page. Click it. When you click the timestamp, the post opens on its own page. You'll notice the rest of the feed disappears, and you're now in a dedicated view with just that single post, its caption, any attached media, and the comments below. This is the permalink page, meaning it has a unique web address that always points to this exact post. Now copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Click once in the address bar to highlight the full link. Then press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac to copy it. You can also right-click and choose Copy. No need to edit anything in the link. The full address you see is the direct path to the post. Finally, share it anywhere you like. Paste the link into a chat, an email, a document, or a social post by using Ctrl+V or Command+V. Anyone who receives it can click straight to that post. Keep in mind, visibility still depends on the post's audience settings. If it's from a private group or set to friends, people who don't have access won't be able to view it, even with the link. Public posts, on the other hand, are viewable by anyone. That's it. Go to the post, click the timestamp, let it open on its own page, copy the URL, and paste it wherever you need. It's quick, clean, and gives people a direct route to exactly what you want them to see. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.